In your call center, agent no shows, no calls, somebody just basically doesn't show up for work, doesn't call, let anybody know, that can create havoc, obviously. So it means longer wait times for your customers to get people on the phone. It means lower CSAT scores. It means that just overall, you're not going to have as loyal of a customer. You're not going to be doing as good of a job. You're not making as many sales. All types of problems, right? So how do you prevent it? How do you prevent agents from not showing up, not calling, not doing anything? Well, you have to look back at why they're doing that. Well, a big part of it might be that maybe they don't really enjoy their job. Maybe they're not engaged in their job. They're looking for an excuse not to come to work. Well, one way to help that is gamification. So in this video, I'm going to talk about gamification and the different ways your company can use gamification with your call center software to improve employee engagement and just overall improve job satisfaction to help reduce the amount of no-call, no-shows. But first, really quick, if you'd like my recommendation on the best call center software that your company should be quoting, reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. I'm a broker for all the major cloud contact center software providers out there. And I've been doing this for over 20 years. So I will help you make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. If you want to know which vendors to quote, reach out, contact me, send me an email, give me a call. It's the reason why I do these videos. More information on that at the end of the video. And as always, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my videos. I do at least one of these videos a week, sometimes 2 or 3. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. The first thing you can do with gamification is all of your users can create an avatar. So if you think about kind of the first step to gamification, everybody kind of creates their own little character in gamification. The next thing, kind of going down the line of gamification that users or agents can do, is they can earn gems. And if you think about it, gems will allow them to do things like upgrade their avatar, maybe buy some different clothes for their avatar, or add different little features, things like that. So gems are kind of rewards inside the game itself. The third thing to think about when it comes to gamification is virtual currency. So in addition to earning gems, you can have agents earn virtual currency that can be used in a marketplace. So that kind of leads me to the next one, which is marketplace. So your company can set up their own marketplace inside the cloud call center software gamification module, where your company can list things like concert tickets, or maybe a front row parking spot for a month, or all types of different gift cards, movie tickets, little benefits, things like that your agents can purchase through the virtual currency that they earn through the gamification module. Well, that all sounds great, right? But what do you reward people for? Well, that's up to you. So some examples might be, wrap time, how, agents with the shortest wrap time, or maybe agents who have the most consecutive days that they've attended work without an absence. Obviously something we talked about in the beginning, right? Employee engagement and trying to reduce the amount of no-shows, no calls. So maybe attendance is something that you reward, or maybe talk time, if talk time is a big deal, or number of calls taken that day, they can earn different rewards. Or maybe you could reward customer satisfaction scores or call scores, how you guys are grading the different calls. Or maybe it's just sales. Maybe your agents are selling or doing upsells and you're rewarding sales. So you can reward all types of stuff through the gamification. But overall, those are just some ideas to think about when it comes to gamification that kind of sound cheesy a little bit, but if you think about it, what's your average age of your contact center agents, and have they been raised and come up in a gamification world where video games are all over the place, apps are all over the place, avatars are all over the place? So this is something that they're used to, and why not meet them where they're at and give them some fun stuff that'll help them enjoy their job and get some extra perks and overall reduce the amount of no call, no shows for your company. So I hope that was helpful. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and maybe leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. And more than anything else, if your company needs some recommendations on the best vendors to quote for your cloud call center software providers, which ones should you quote, reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. This is what I do. I'm a broker for all the major cloud contact center vendors out there, and I can help your company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. So based on your company's requirements, I'll tell you which vendors your company should be quoting, which have the best reputations for good service quality, customer service, who have the features that you guys need like gamification. And I'll introduce you to those companies, introduce you to the best salespeople at those companies that you should be working with. I'll oversee the quoting process to make sure your company gets the best pricing. And on top of all that, I won't charge your company a dime for my broker services because the cloud call center service providers pay me my broker fee. So your company doesn't have to pay me anything. So there's no excuse not to at least reach out and see what my opinion is on which vendors your company should be quoting. All right, well, if you liked the video, also leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what future videos you'd like to see. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll catch you on the next one.